Good day everyone. Today I'm going to classify the 9 classification of dangerous goods. Before that, let me introduce myself first. I am Christian M. Polaris, BSMT from S1E Marine Environment. So, there are the 9 classification of dangerous goods. First is Class 1 explosives. Hazmat Class 1 are explosive materials which are any substance or article including a device which are designed to function by explosion or which by chemical reaction within itself is able to function in similar manner even if not designed to function by explosion. Second is Class 2 gases. Gas is one of the 4 fundamental states of matter. The others are solid, liquid, and plasma. A pure gas may be made up of individual atoms. A noble gas, like neon, elemental molecules made from one type of atom, or compound molecules made from a variety of atoms and carbon dioxide. Class 3 is flammable liquids. A flammable liquid is a liquid which can be easily ignited in air and ambient temperatures. It has a flash point at or below nominal threshold. Temperatures defined by a number of national and international standards or organizations. Class 4 Flammable solids. Flammable solid as a solid other can be a blasting agent of explosive that is liable to cause fire through friction, absorption of moisture, spontaneous chemical chains, or retained heat of manufacturing or processing, or which can be ignited readily and when ignited so burn vigorously and persistently to create a serious hazard. Example of a flammable solid is a gunpowder. Class 5 is oxidizing substance and organic pesticides. Commonly transported Class 5 dangerous goods include hydrogen peroxide, potassium permanganate, sodium nitrite, and ammonium nitrite fertilizers and oxygen generators. Class 6 is toxic substances and infectious substances. Commonly transported Class 6 dangerous goods include cyanides, lead compounds, phenol, creosotes, some pesticides, biological samples, and clinical waste. Class 7 is radioactive materials. Dangerous goods which are classed as a radioactive material are defined by the dangerous goods regulations as any material containing radionuclides where both the activity concentration and the total activity exceed certain predefined values. A radionuclide is an atom with an unstable nucleus and which consequently is subject to radioactive decay. Class 8 is corrosives. Corrosive substances are capable of destroying other substances as they cause a chemical reaction. Any chemical that can be dissolved the core structure of another is defined as a corrosive. Class 9 is miscellaneous dangerous goods. Miscellaneous dangerous goods are substances and articles which during transport present a danger or hazard not covered by other 8 classes. This class encompasses but is not limited to environmentally hazardous substances that are transported in elevated temperatures, miscellaneous articles and substances genetically modified organisms and microorganisms, and depending on the method of transport. Magnetized materials and aviation regulation, unregulated substances. That's all the 9 classification of dangerous goods, and thank you for watching.